Hello? 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 Is anybody there? Welcome, pre-calculus, to day 24. This is page 477, numbers 18 through 36 even. Let's get on it. Okay, decide arithmetic, geometric, or neither, and then figure out the formula, right? We have to figure out the formula too. Okay, we can do that, totally. We can totally do that. All right, so this is going down by 8, down by 8, down by 8. So the difference is -8. Oh, by the way, that means it's arithmetic. First term is 15. And then you have to be like, I wonder, what's their equation for arithmetic? Oh, yeah. The nth term is the first term, and then n minus 1 times d. So it's going to be the first term, 15, and then n minus 1 times -8. So then that's going to be 15 minus 8n plus 8, and that's just going to be 23 minus 8n. Ta-da! Number 20. Subtract 150. Nope, it can't be arithmetic. Let's try geometric. Divide by -2. Yep. Divide by -2. Yep. Divide by -2. There we go. So that means that r is -1/2. First term is 100, and it's geometric. Well, geometric, to figure it out, t sub n has to be the first term times r to the n minus 1. So this one's done really, really, really easy. It's 100 times, and I'm going to put this in parentheses, r -1/2 to the n minus 1. And I know the book would have a different answer, but that's where we're stopping. Next, number 22. I can't add anything to get those numbers. I can't multiply anything to get those numbers. Okay, so then we got to look at the old trickaroo. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. This is the fourth term. Hey, did you notice something? Did you notice that if this is 1, and then that's 1, and if this is 2, well then that's 2, and if this is 3, well then that's 3. That means that the nth term, so let's say it was the fourth term, it would be n, and then this is 1 bigger than it, n plus 1. So if I was looking for the fourth term, it'd be 4/5. That's pretty doggone easy. Number 24. Okay, I can't add anything. I can't subtract anything to get those or multiply to get no. So I'm going to try again. But this time with n, I'm just going to write n equals 1, 2, 3, 4. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. And let's look at the bottom first, because I think this is most obvious. These are perfect squares. 1, 4, 9, 16. But if that's 9 and that's 3, that means that this guy's getting squared and 4 is getting squared. Sometimes it's easier to look at the bigger numbers. So the bottom is n squared. And then the top looks like it's just 1 bigger than what the green number is, doesn't it? And so that would be n plus 1. I like those little puzzles. Number 26, skip. If you want to try it, just for the heck of it, you could try it, I guess. It's geometric. Obviously, you're multiplying by a/2, right? Yeah. Okay, but don't worry about that one. Number 28. This is 2 to the half. This is 2 to the 3/2. This is 2 to the 4/2. Okay, that's all that really means. And this is the first term, second term, third term. I don't think number 28, there's no way I can get from here to there. can multiply that one by 2, but I definitely cannot multiply that one by 2 to get 4 halves, right? Okay, okay. So let's try it this way. The nth term is going to be 2, and then this 3. All right, this 1 is that one. This 3, oh shucks, that doesn't work. Oh, doggone it. Huh. Anybody got a better idea how to... Oh, okay, maybe I shouldn't have looked at it this way. Maybe I should have just looked at it as that, that, and that. Oh, okay. So the nth term is going to have a 2 there. And look at that. It's just one bigger. That's 2. That's bigger. That's one bigger. That's one bigger. So then this dude right here is n plus 1. Well, isn't that special? Number 30. We're back to our friend arithmetic. Okay, so it would go like this: 76, nothing, 70. So this guy would be 73, right? Yeah, down by 3. Okay, so that means that the difference is negative 3. Oh, okay. So then arithmetic would be t sub n equals the first term, 76, and then n minus 1 times d. Well, it's going down by 3 each time. So then the nth term, oh, you know what? I'm going to stay lazy because I did that on the last video too. So to figure out the 101st term, that's great. It'd be 76 plus 101 minus 1 is 100. And then that's negative 3. So that's negative 300 minus, or plus 76. And that's negative 2, 2, 4. Click. Number 32 is also arithmetic, but this time we have ourselves an issue because I can't go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I can't do, I guess I could, but for crying out loud, I can't do that. So here we go. I'm going to be using the nth term is t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And you're like, how can we do that? We don't know what the difference is. No, we don't. Okay, but we do know that for the 8th term, the first term, no clue what that is. I do know what n is. It's 8 minus 1 times d. And I know what that answer is. It's 25. So it's going to be the first term plus 7d equals 25. And now I got to change colors, and I'm going to do the same thing for the 20th term. So for the 20th term, it would be the first term, no clue what it is, and then 20 minus 1 times d, but I know what that answer is, 61. So that would be the first term plus 19d equals 61. Uh-oh, new slide. Okay, so now I have these two equations, one in blue, t plus 7d equals 25, which means that the first term is 25 minus 7d. And then I have this here green equation, t sub 1 plus, hello, plus 19d equals 61. So the first term equals 61 minus 19d. And so now I have these two equations that both equal the first term. So you know what to do, set them equal to each other. 25 minus 7d equals 61 minus 19d. So I'm going to add 19d and get 12d. And I'm going to subtract 25 and get 36. 36. So d equals 3. Okay, so now this 3's got to go on to a little trip here. Oh, hello. I did not mean to do that. Come on now. There we go. And then that dude's going to go right there. So that means the first term is 25 minus 21, because that's 7 times 3. So the first term is 4. And that's exactly what they asked for over yonder. See it over yonder. Good. That's number 32. You can pause the video at any point. Number 34. Now we're to geometric. Okay, so the first term is really 2 to the 2 halves. And the second term is really 2 to the 3 halves. So how did I get on number 34? How did I get from here to there? Well, I multiplied by 2 to the 1 half. Let me do a little side step here. So if I said, hey, what's 2 to the 2 halves times 2 to the 1 half? It would just be 2 to the 3 halves. You would just add the powers because they're the same base, okay? If they were a power to a power, you would multiply it. So now I'm going to need another slide. And so that means that my r is 2 to the 1 half. So now for geometric, the nth term is going to be the first term, 2, times r, which is 2 to the 1 half, to the n minus 1. So then if we wanted to find the 13th term, it'd be 2 times 2 to the 1 half to the 13 minus 1 is 12. So this would be 2 times 2 to the 6th, which would be 2 to the, hello, hello, 2 to the 7th. And if you get out your handy dandy calculator and just go, 2 to the 7th, boom, 128. I like that one a lot. These were a little more challenging than the odds. And then number 36, first term, fourth term, 81, don't know, 24. Okay, well, 81's divisible by 9, which means it's divisible by 3, right? So if I take 81 and divide it by 3, that would be 27. Oh boy. So that doesn't work. What if I divide it by 9? That doesn't work. Oh, brother. So we're in for this one could be interesting. Are you ready? Here we go. With geometric, it's the first term times r, which we don't know, to the n minus 1. That's the nth term. But if we're doing the first term, it'd be 81 times r to the 0. Oh, so wait a second. The first term's 81. I already know that. What in the snap am I going to do with this one? How can I don't know. Let's try the other equation. What do we have to find on this one? Oh, find the 7th term. Okay. So I didn't need to do that because watch. If I want to figure out the seventh term, I don't think I care about the fourth term. I don't know. Maybe I do. Let's find out. Here we go. The seventh term is going to be the first term, 81, times r. Oh, shucks. I don't know what r is. To the n minus 1 to the 6th. But I know that answer is, I don't know. Oh, well, tartar sauce. I wish I knew what r was. Is there any way to figure out what r is on that problem? Hmm. Hmm. I don't know. Let's erase it one more time. Let's find out one more time. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Geometric. The nth term is the first term times r to the n minus 1. But we know on this particular problem that it's 81 times r to the n minus 1. Okay? Do you get that? So, if I plug in 1, that doesn't help me solve for r. So let's try the fourth term again. Okay, maybe this time we'll get it. I don't know. Let's find out. The fourth term is going to be 81 times r to the n minus 1, which is 3, but we know that answer is 24. Okay, here we go. Divide by 81, and then everybody knows that 24 81st reduces by 3 to give you 8 27ths. 8 is a perfect cube. 27 is a perfect cube. If I do the cube root of those, r is 2/3. Oh, joy. Now can I figure out the seventh term? Heck yeah, I can. The seventh term is going to be the first term times 2/3 to the 7 minus 1, which is 6. Punch that baby into your calculator, and here we go. Parenthesis 2 over 3, parenthesis to the 6, hit equals. Multiply it by 81, hit equals. I got 7 and 1/9. Okay, 7 and 1/9. Oh, that is what my book got also, 7 and 1/9. And there you go. If you have it as a decimal, that's fine also. What's 1 divided by 9? 0.11111, or 7.11111. Bar. Okay. Hey, everybody, we were under 20 minutes this time. Woo! Let's celebrate that. Okay, so here's the rest of the work for that problem right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're missing something, from my class, go to our pre-calc playlist. Womp womp. We are now finished. And I say to you, good day.